Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn about words which we can use for expressing our beliefs and assumptions. Let us begin with some sentences. I thought I had more time. Akala ko may oras pa ako. I, ko. Thought, akala. Ako. Had, my. More, pa. And time, oras. Did you think it is still early? Akala mo ba maaga pa? Did think is also akala. You, mo. Did you think? Akala mo ba? Because that question is answerable by yes or no, we added the word ba. Still, pa. And early, maaga. So today, we are learning about words of belief or assumption, mga salita ng paniniwala o palagay. Words, mga salita of, ng. Belief, paniniwala, or, o. Assumption, palagay. The first word that we used in the example was mistaken belief or akala. Here is another one. So belief or assumption is palagay. Belief is also paniniwala. Viewpoint, pananaw. And opinion is opinion. Let us use those words in sentences. I believe they will get along. Palagay ko, magkakasundo sila. I, ko. Believe, palagay. They, sila. Will get along, magkakasundo. We use the word palagay to express a gut feel, idea, or inkling about how things will go. Even though they have different beliefs, kahit na magkaiba sila ng paniniwala, even though, kahit na. Different, magkaiba. They have different is magkaiba sila. Beliefs, paniniwala. And so in this sentence, belief, paniniwala is used as a noun to name what is someone's set of beliefs. My belief is that it will not be a problem. Ang paniniwala ko ay hindi ito magiging problema. Belief, paniniwala. Is that it, ito, will not be, hindi magiging, problem, problema. Let us look at some more sentences. From my viewpoint, your plan is good. Sa pananaw ko, mabuti ang plano mo. From, sa, my, ko, viewpoint, pananaw. Your, mo, plan, plano, good, mabuti. Your plan is good. Mabuti ang plano mo. But that is not my husband's opinion. Pero hindi yan ang opinyon ng asawa ko. But, pero. That is not, hindi yan. Husband, asawa. Opinion, opinyon. We have different points of view. Magkaiba kami ng pananaw. We, kami, different, magkaiba. Points of view, pananaw. Here is another set of words of belief or assumption, mga salita ng paniniwala o palagay. Looks or looks like, mukhang. Seems like, parang. Estimate, tantya. Speculation, haka or haka-haka. Now let us use those words in sentences. It looks like it will rain today. Mukhang uulan ngayon ah. Looks like, mukhang. It will rain, uulan. Today, ngayon. And we added the word a, which does not specifically mean anything, but we use it to be a filler, to put emphasis, or to put tone. It doesn't seem like it. Parang hindi. Doesn't, hindi. Seem like, parang. It doesn't seem like it. Parang hindi. It seems like the forecast is wrong. Parang mali ang forecast. The, ang, wrong, mali. Here are some more sentences. My estimate was wrong. Mali ang tantya ko. My, ko. Estimate, tantya. Wrong, mali. What was your estimate? Ano ang tantya mo? What, ano. Your, mo. I estimated food for 10 people, but 15 came. Nagtantya ako ng pagkain para sa 10 tao, pero 15 ang dumating. I, ako. Estimated, nagtantya. Food, pagkain. For, para sa. 10, 10. People, tao. So, 10 people, 10 tao. But, pero, 15, 15, came, dumating. Here is one more set of sentences. I heard that wages will increase. Narinig ko na madadagdagan ang sweldo. I, ko. Heard, narinig. That, na. Wages, sweldo. Will increase, madadagdagan. Is that true or just speculation? Totoo ba yan o haka-haka lang? True, totoo. Is that true? Totoo ba yan? Or, o, just, lang? Speculation, haka-haka. I don't know, but I hope it is not just speculation. Hindi ko alam, pero sana hindi ito haka lang. No, alam. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. But, pero, I hope, sana, it is not, hindi ito, speculation, haka. When do we use haka-haka or haka? For me, I use it interchangeably, and so can you. But I think I tend to use haka-haka when something has circulated among more people instead of just a few people. Either way, you use haka-haka or haka, it will be correct. That is our lesson about words that we use to express beliefs or assumptions in Filipino. And for your homework, here are some sentences for you to translate into Filipino. It was just my assumption. In my estimation, we will make a profit. She looks sad. I hope you will have fun translating this. And don't forget, the answers to the previous lesson's homework will be in the description below. Have a good day! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!